Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today is about Xiaomi AX3600. We've got a new firmware update, Chinese version. Here we've got the 1.1.12 version. I have already downloaded it from the miwifi.com. You can see here, and let's check the logs, what new we've got. Updated on 8 February. Dear users, this is an important upgrade of the AX3600 which will bring you a major upgrade of a mesh function. The mesh function is newly upgraded to support hybrid networking with AX6000 and the roaming experience is better. Support mesh networking in AP mode. The maximum number of access devices in the entire mesh network has increased from 4 to 10. Optimize the experience when 2.4G is used in conjunction with some ALO devices. Added a localized installation function of NetEasy UU plugin in the web background. Added DHCP server default gateway and other functions in the web background, supporting personalized configuration. IPv6 native mode removes firewall restriction by default. Fix other known issues. Note, if you are using AX3600 and AX6000 mesh networking before, it is recommended that you manually upgrade the AX3600 first, reset after successfully upgrade, and then perform mesh networking. Xiaomi routers AX1900 and Redmi routers AX5 and 6 will also launch new mesh upgrades in succession. It is expected to push auto upgrades for everyone before the end of March. MI router will continue to bring you a better network experience. Thank you MI Fan for long-term support. Finally, I wish you all happy Chinese New Year and so Polish. Okay, that's a great news. Well, let's show you now how to upgrade it. I will do it again just to show you how to do that. And as you can see, it's in Chinese, translate to English, relay settings, go to system status, upgrade manually, choose the file, and we need the 1.1.12. This is the European, the 3.0.22, and this is the older version of the Chinese 1.0.79, 1.1.12, and start upgrade. You can refresh the page. And here we are again. That was very easy to do. And of course, translate again. I'm using this router as a repeater. And let's see, internet settings. We can switch, of course. We can go to normal router working mode, create a wireless network. And I've got the wired relay working mode, extending the existing network. The settings for this mode, repeater mode, it is less than the obviously a normal router working mode. Security. Okay. Now, let's see what differences we've got. Here we can see we've got the Super Encryption WPA3 personal version, the Strong Hybrid Encryption WPA3 and 2 personal version, Strong Encryption WPA2 personal edition, and Hybrid Encryption WPA2 personal edition. And the other settings are the same. And the same goes for the 5G, of course. Wi-Fi 5, compatibility mode, MUMIMO, ALOT Smart Antenna Automatic Scanning. I turned this off because my camera didn't write every minute to my server. It was writing only every 3 minutes. When I turn it off, it starts again to write every 1 minute. complication, but okay, it is existent that. Happily mode. With this function turned on, the router can automatically discover unutilized Wi-Fi devices that support Easy Connect and quickly configure the network through the Media app. Changing the router password will also automatically synchronize to devices that support Easy Connect. Add mesh node routing and start searching. And that was all, guys, to upgrade the firmware of the new Chinese version. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.